So you're watching this video probably on my YouTube channel. I want you to take it serious. This is actually a paid course. Whichever way you're watching it, it's a premium value knowledge that I gave out to people. All right, so in case you're watching it for free, pay attention to it. And if you're getting it from any of my paid offers, pay attention to what I'll be teaching you here. Okay, I'll be showing you super strategies on how to generate leads on WhatsApp majorly. Okay, you can also use other platforms, but I'm narrowing down on WhatsApp, how you can massively generate leads on WhatsApp. So this is WhatsApp traffic mastery course, master lead generation. You will learn to generate massive traffic in 7 days than you have done in the last 2 months. All right, so part of what I'll be showing you here is how I was able to fill a WhatsApp group with 1,000 persons, all right, during a free class on AI portrait that I ran in July 2023. Okay, so that is what you will be learning from this course. So let's go into the outline. So this is the outline I wrote myself. I didn't write it with AI. I wrote down this outline myself and I crafted everything here myself. Okay, because I believe in teaching people what I personally do myself. So I'll be showing you where I need to go out from the screen and show you my WhatsApp, show you my Telegram. I will have to do just that. All right, so this is the course outline. First of all, is purpose of lead generation. If you are going to generate massive lead, then you must understand the purpose of lead generation. And after that, we'll be looking at what we call customer avatar, right? So we're looking at customer avatar. And after that, we'll be looking at crafting a lead magnet, right? Crafting an irresistible lead magnet. And we'll look at the traffic funnel. I will spend so much time on traffic funnel. I'll be sharing with you my AI free class traffic funnel. Okay, and other traffic funnels that you can apply. All right, but the one that I used in generating 1,000 leads in 7 days is what I'll be sharing with you. Then we have chain reaction techniques. That this is for pure organic traffic generation. All right, and I'll be showing you how you set up your auto reply. I already have a separate video on that. Okay, but I'll be showing you other things that I had to write, the way I craft my content so that my leads can easily follow my instruction. Then we look at contact saving. I save my contacts manually for a reason. Okay, so I can actually save my contacts automatically using different automation techniques. Okay, but I prefer to save manually. It's very stressful, but it's for a reason. I'm going to be showing you the reason. Okay, you can also do auto save. Okay, all right, so auto save. I'm going to be linking the video on how to do auto save in the description, okay, of this video, so you can get the auto save course. I think I have a course on that, or my friend has a course on that, which you can buy. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. And I'll look at follow-ups and status adverts, okay? Because if you check the course community on Telegram, you are going to be getting list of people you can use to run adverts with, okay? So list of people you can run adverts with, and I keep updating those lists, and you have them for lifetime, right? And finally, we'll be looking at low ticket strategy. This is one of the most effective strategy for getting quality clients yourself, right? I use it myself and I'm going to show you all of that. Right. So let's start with purpose of lead generation. If you go online right now, you are just type purpose of lead generation, maybe on ChatGPT or on YouTube or on Google, right, you are going to find different write-ups on purpose of lead generation, which you can enjoy reading. All right, but what I'm going to be sharing with you here is more of practical stuff, okay, of the level I am at currently. All right, so there maybe in the next 1 year, the level will change, the knowledge will change, the practical approach is going to change. All right, but currently, the purpose of lead generation that I have mastered is one, I generate leads to increase my audience on every platform, increase my platform audience. Okay, that is the number one reason I generate leads. Okay, I generate leads first of all, increase my platform audience, and my two major platforms is YouTube and WhatsApp. All right, so this is the first purpose of my lead generation. Your own lead generation purpose might differ, but I'm advising you make this your number one priority to grow your platform audience. All right. So if you don't have a YouTube channel, right now I'm telling you to go and open a YouTube channel. All right, because YouTube channel is going to help you not to waste the leads you are generating. All right, YouTube channel is going to help you not to waste the leads you are generating. Imagine you just generate leads and on WhatsApp and you later market to them and they don't buy anything from you and they just go just like that. So it's almost going to be wasting your money all the time. All right, but if you have a YouTube channel, you generate leads and the videos you have, they're on your YouTube channel. You give them that video to go and watch. They will watch that video and they will check your channel. If you gave them value in the video you gave them, they will check your channel and see your channel and see more other valuable content on your channel, and they also like to watch it. So this is what has happened to me practically. Okay, so people will come for a free video, I give it to them, they will end up watching 10 videos on my YouTube channel. By that, they increase everything I have on YouTube channel about my YouTube channel growth. Okay, that's one thing I want you to get. So you can have all your platforms. Sorry about the noise on the background. There's nothing I can do about it. Right, there is a dog barking close to me. All right, so you can have other platforms. I use WhatsApp and YouTube. Okay, I interchange them. My WhatsApp audience go to my YouTube channel. Sometimes I drive my YouTube audience to my WhatsApp, my WhatsApp platform. Why do I do this? On WhatsApp, I use my WhatsApp for advert purpose. So whether people are buying something I'm selling or they are not buying, as long as they are on my WhatsApp, they are viewing my status, they are increasing my WhatsApp status view. And by then, those who want to advertise with me, those people can become those people's clients. Okay, so it's like a two-edged sword. You said you are not going to buy from me, you are going to be part of my audience even if you don't buy. Right, so I generated over 1,000 leads. Only about 300 are in the paid class. So what of the other 700? They didn't buy, but they are part of my WhatsApp audience. And most of them ended up doing advert with me. All right, so if you are somebody, if you're going to give yourself to generating massive leads, maybe you're an affiliate marketer, you're a course creator, you're going to be generating massive leads. So I want you to today make up your mind that you are on WhatsApp, your leads will be part of your WhatsApp audience and you are going to monetize your WhatsApp status. All right, so like I reached out to an affiliate marketer, one of the top affiliate marketers. All right, on digiStem. I told him I want to advertise on his status. He has over 4,000 status view on his two different WhatsApp. Guess how much he told me he's advertising for 24 hours? 15,000 naira. That 15,000 naira is enough for me to run YouTube ad to drive massive traffic. But why do I want to advertise on his status? He has closed over 1,000 sales. All right, on the affiliate platform where he's part of. That means he has like 1,000 audience that have paid over 20,000 naira or 30,000 naira for a product at a time. They are quality leads. So when he started building he was first of all generating leads. in order to sell the affiliate products he's part of. But because those leads are massive, they ended up becoming his WhatsApp audience and they increased his WhatsApp view. Recently, I told the same guy that he should go and open a YouTube channel. He has on his YouTube channel, one of his videos is over 80,000 views. I told him, these 80,000 people that watch your YouTube, if you had like other 30 YouTube videos there, they would have added to your channel. And you can also be making money from YouTube just passively like that. Okay. So this is one of the purposes of lead generation. Another purpose is to increase your reach and visibility. Okay. So when you are generating leads, okay, depending on the lead magnet you are using, let's say the lead magnet you are using, your face is showing on the flyer. People will take note of your face even if they don't click your ad. For example, 𝐴𝐸𝐿𝐴. I first knew about 𝐴𝐸𝐿𝐴, a copywriter. I first knew about him because many people were sharing his flyers on their status. Okay, I first knew about him before I eventually bought his course. So when I now came close to buying his course, it was easy. Why? Because many people were already talking about him. Many people already have seen his flyers on many people's status, just like that. So lead generation helps to increase your reach, increase your visibility. Okay, so it's not all the time you run adverts or you want to generate leads because you want to make sales. Sometimes you have to go and start generating leads just because you want people to see you. Okay. On YouTube, sometimes I'll come on WhatsApp to chat up people. Before I finish explaining myself, they'll tell me, "Oh, you are God's way. I've seen you. I know you. I know your YouTube channel. I used to watch your video." And I feel very happy. Like, this person already knows me. I don't even need to introduce myself. And they know the value I can bring to the table. Alright? That is because YouTube organically increases my views, carries my video to more people that needs it. Okay? So this is the second purpose of lead generation. So you can see I've not talked everything about getting clients. I've not talked anything about getting clients. So the underground purpose of lead generation is increasing your platform audience and increasing your visibility. Then the third purpose now is to get leads for your offer. All right. So let's say you are selling a course on videography. So your intention is to, okay, let's say you are selling a YouTube course. Your intention is to get leads that will pay for that course. So you are selling an affiliate product, whatever thing, your intention is to get people that will pay for that product. That's another purpose of lead generation, which I believe is one of the things you expect to learn from this video. All right. So you have an offer, then you want to generate lead for that offer. All right. So it's one of the purposes of lead generation because leads is the blood of the blood of online business. Without leads, no sales. Okay, so without leads, there cannot be any sales. All right. Then finally is to make sales. Okay, make sales. All right. So that's where you get leads and you now want to make sales. So I believe you understand this purpose. You can go online on Google and read many things about purpose of lead generation. Okay, so this is it for the first part of this video. And let me add this one that I wrote down here on my notes. Another purpose of lead generation is to use leads to get leads. Use leads to get leads. There are people you will generate, they are not going to pay for your product. But on those people's status are the people that are willing, on those people's platform, their WhatsApp friends are the people that will pay for your product. So you can bypass them and use them to get to their friends. Right? I'm going to be teaching you that in detail. That was the exact thing I did when I was generating leads for my AI portrait masterclass. And I do it virtually for everything I do on WhatsApp. Organic. This one is pure organic. I'm also starting it newly on my YouTube masterclass training that will be starting as of the time I'm making this video, all right, is using leads to generate leads. Okay, so this is where I'm going to stop on this part, all right. Then you can get the other parts, all right, on the playlist of this course. So if you're watching this video and you want to get everything I'm talking about, this is a full course that people paid for, and you want to get everything, more than 1 hour 30 minutes video, right? So you are my YouTube audience, you want to get everything I'm talking about on this video, you want to learn everything step by step in detail. As you can see, this video is not much editing, there's not much editing on it, because I'm sharing raw value as I practice things myself. Okay, once you get the video, it is selling for a very, very affordable price. All you need to do is to click the link in the description of the video. You are going to see the link, WhatsApp Mastery Organic Traffic.